A new era of performance. Skoda's high-performance coupe electric vehicle. The Skoda Enyaq Coupe RS represents the Czech automaker's foray into the high-performance electric vehicle market. With its stylish coupe design and impressive specs, this model promises to challenge the established players in the EV industry. In this review, we will examine the car's design, performance, range, features, and more to determine if it lives up to the hype. The exterior of the Enyaq Coupe RS boasts a stunning and aggressive design that sets it apart from its competitors. Its low-slung stance, sloping roofline, and sleek lines give it a sporty and aerodynamic appearance. Skoda has also added unique elements such as the signature crystalline LED headlights, the large grille with black trim, and the distinctive RS badging, which signify its performance pedigree. The vehicle is powered by two electric motors, one on each axle, providing a combined output of 302 horsepower and 460 Newton-meters of torque. With this setup, the car can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.9 seconds, which is truly remarkable for an SUV of this size. Furthermore, the standard adaptive suspension system ensures excellent handling and ride comfort. With an 82 kilowatt-hour battery pack, the RS delivers a competitive range of up to 310 miles on a single charge. Charging the vehicle is also a breeze, thanks to its compatibility with fast charging stations. At a 125 kilowatt fast charger, the battery can be replenished from 10% to 80% in just 40 minutes, making long road trips a viable option. Inside, the cabin exudes a sense of luxury and technology. The materials used are of high quality, with Alcantara and leather upholstery as standard options. The dashboard features a 13-inch infotainment touchscreen, which is both responsive and intuitive. The car also comes equipped with Skoda's latest MIB3 infotainment system, featuring Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium audio system. Safety is a key focus for Skoda, and this model is no exception. The vehicle comes loaded with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. Furthermore, the car features a host of passive safety features, such as multiple airbags and a robust structure designed to protect occupants in the event of an accident. Despite its coupe-like design, the Enyaq Coupe RS offers plenty of practicality. With a generous boot capacity of 570 liters, it is more than capable of accommodating luggage for a family road trip. The rear seats can also be folded down to create additional storage space when needed. This high-performance EV is competitively priced, starting at around $60,000. This high-performance EV is competitively priced, starting at around $60,000. Skoda offers a comprehensive warranty package too. The Skoda Enyaq Coupe RS is an impressive package that combines style, performance, and practicality in an all-electric platform. With its competitive price and solid range, it is a compelling option for those looking to enter the EV market without sacrificing performance or luxury. The Enyaq Coupe RS has the potential to become a benchmark in the electric performance SUV segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.